Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And channel is a vlog video, another vlog video. Okay, sorry this sound of the fan. Yes, Max yes clear the sound, but no problem. Okay, and this video. And I want to tell, yes, I have a sale about my sale about my jualan. My sale is a steak bread with the vegetarian and sausage. The vegetarian is tomato, onion and salt maybe, and then sausage is the sausage is little because and the week and out to, week tomorrow week I want to buy the big sausage. Yes, and then I sell this how much the 3,000. Yes, 3,000 to 1 and to 5,000. Yes, because it's tactic marketing. Yes, to manipulation the buying. Okay, and the buyer. Okay, and then but today is free day. But today is free day, and the season is season rain or season kemarau maybe. No, season is no rain maybe, rain and medium hot maybe, because the siang is so hot, and you can show my vlog video before is my clothes is dead. Yeah, it's so hot. Okay, and see it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.